So this video will show you what a jump menu is and how to easily make one. So a jump menu is just something that links several documents together. Essentially, it lets you jump from one document to the other so you can go back and forth between different parts of a project. I like to put my jump menus up at the top in the header. So one way that you could do this is you create a template document. You're going to need for this project 5 pieces, 5 different things, right? So I'm just going to show you with 3, but you could extend this out to do all 5 if you wanted to. So up here at the top, I've simply just written out the first 3 sections of the project, okay? And I could put in the other ones if I wanted to. I like to put a little divider in between. And so you could type this out. So this is your demo. It's going to look the same on all 5 pages. What would be really useful is if you also, I don't have that on this, but you could put your name, like whatever you have in the header information that you're going to have on the same, on every page, you know, name, class, date, you know, put all that up here. So once I have this, once I have my demo set up, okay, my template set up, then it's easy enough to just make a copy, rename the copy. So I'll call this Jump Menu Demo 2, page 2. And then I'm just going to keep going. I'll do one more, make a copy. But you could, if you have the template the way you like it, just make all 5 of them. Get it all done all at once. But just for time, I'm making 3. So now I've got a page 1, a page 2, and a page 3. And they all look the same, right? So next thing we need to do is get the share link. Make sure that you change it so that anyone with a link can view. Not anyone at VVC, not anyone at an organization. You have to click the drop down, anyone with the link with no restrictions. So I'm going to take that link that I just copied and come back to the first document. And this is for part 3. So I'll come up here, highlight this, make it a link, and apply. Now we need to get the link from page 2. Same thing, share, change the setting to anyone with the link, copy the link, and come back over here to the initial document. Plug the link in where you want it on the menu, and apply. And I'm going to even do it for this first document, although I'll show you a little formatting trick here in a minute. Anyone with the link, copy the link, and then put it in here. And once you create, if you have the other 2 documents, just do the same thing. So on the first page, have all 5 links in. Now let me show you a trick, because otherwise you'd have to go back and forth, each one, copy the link, copy, you know, go back and forth and do all that. That takes a lot of time. Get it on the first document, and then copy it. You know, you've got it all how you like it. You could do this with your whole header, but you've got the links all set in how you like it. Come back over here to the next document and just replace what's there. And the links are in. So that's pretty fantastic. Copy paste is your friend. It's a great time saver. Now, just for a formatting thing, and this is not required, but this is what I like to do to make it stand out on the individual document. For the document that this is the menu item for, I don't need the link because I'm on the document. I'm not going to jump. So I just like to make it bold and highlight it, and then that points out, oh yeah, this is, you know, that document. So I come over here, do the same thing, take the link out, and again, this is just formatting. So this is just how I like to do it. Doesn't mean you have to do it that way. Same thing, come back here for the third one now that I'm document 3. Whoops. Take the link out and just a little something to set it aside. So once you do that, now you have this jump menu that allows you to just jump to the next document. It's going to open it up again. Or you could jump back. You could go back and forth. It's a really easy way to connect multiple documents that are part of the same project. I really hope that was a helpful video. Let me know if you have any more questions.